Good evening. Good evening, my people. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, my lovely people. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. Is your girl, is your lady, Lady Joy Show. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Good evening, good morning. It depends of your time. So now welcome, my people. I greet everybody with this my Cindy is a girl here. So now thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome to Lady Joy Show. I beg, if today na your first time when you watch my video, my name is Lady Joy Show. Please follow this page, like this page, and help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lady Joy Show. Please help me to subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you as you do that. Please invite people. Thank you for joining. Bye, guarda de sieme. Senza piangere, tutti due vogliono guardare insieme. So thank you for joining. Please share this video. Invite our people. Invite our brothers and sisters. We get many things to discuss today. Emi no buni mahianta because if you do eso ogi man or social media. Ave swaga, ave ginger na meme ni ya geni wo meme no a prophet ya. If no a prophet ya, ima bege mi ni ya geni bu way because e ma wuro ni we swaga na bo de a pastor yang gitie gbin yan we yan pastor. So when it that swaga ginger no wa swaga na for how many years we wa keso ne swaga me ma bege mi no wa geni bu way. Ma bege mi no wa geni bu way followers ni wa. Abi mi obe run wa geni. Nika pe music na na keso. So please, thank you for joining. Please help me to share this video. Help me to share. Invite people. Thank you so much. Please help me to share the video, help me to invite people. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Today is your first time. You are welcome to Lady Joy Show. Please invite people. Thank you for joining. Good evening. Maybe it's network. I cannot even see anything here. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you for joining. Please invite people. Thank you for joining. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Thank you so much. Invite people. Please share this video. I want you to invite the Edo people. I want to talk to some of our Edo people, not us. Some of our Edo people. I better share this video. Share and invite our Edo people. Invite them. Please share this video. Please invite people. Thank you. Good evening. Invite. Just share this video. Share it. Invite. Mostly Edo people. Invite them. Thank you for joining. for this music. Just help me share. As you are here, help me to invite people. Thank you for joining. Just invite our people. Just invite. Share this video. Share. Because they say for John where they square street, you know, tell us say they square the street. You go to say they repair am. Some of our video don't too much for this social media. So me, I love this music. As soon as see me for years, so I dey verse, I dey provoke, I dey verse where. Now see, I don't want you to do my hair. I say I go do this granite hair. Now I go say talk this topic because some of our Benin people, some of them, we still have plenty responsible Benin people. We have many. But all those ones where they on this social media, they fool their self, they disgrace their self. Una not the shame. If una not the shame, people where they watch una they shame. Now only Benin people now they social media. Now only Benin people now they do social media for. The one way you go say he be pastor, he be and na so God call her, na so he they call this one, they call this one. No, now even worse pass. Mostly all those old people where they day Europe, where they don't old for Europe, all those old cargo for Europe. What it be the good plan? One of they put for grant for all those idare one and they say all those one are idare na hina na Miami rock badare. Wanire okbe demi no demi okono manu wakoyo tona wani pe nevewebo. When you spend that many years in Nebewebo now, what is the good plan that you are planning for people that is just coming? The plan in Wamenia. E karatu wano wak biwena ibieka heke no wek bebe na. E wa. Then if do sonoru we social media no wa disgrace biye ekwe mugwa. Ekwe mugwa. No we pastor we pastor yeki e do saloba wati yen e do saloba wona ene na me ba ni follow wa yen me blame me iye blame e kwe muwa ivye do sonore social media wa think wa total no wa tikere do wa no wa o yo nya wo mo na yo e omo okpo ma no kwa ogwu we do na no ma ipe na okobo no kobo ya wo abi ogwe wa be gbeyegbe o be gbugwa egbe nuwa be file ewe okobo wa pa yo te do re be na em okobo se owu o ma gbuwa ro pa gbe o ma gbuwa gbe uwa ye soyoyore be social media no banua wa banua no tenekia ten ekwe mugwa wa pare social media ekwe gbuwa mugwa agwa nuwa ja giwa un e ma gbonu wa ta yago te do na e fulani ya gbelebo wa e ma wule dedegbe ma ro ni ma mie ba ni ma muwa iwine ni ma muwa iwine zo eri destiny di okwe ne eri destiny di okwe sen bo kan wa wugwa de no e problem wa na ibi do so ni social media ekwe muwa ke no tie gbe pastor ke no we osalobo atinye wini ye do wo na ye do wo ni ye do ekwe muwa. What me why I go salo boy? Oma hiagele go salo boy, you need to tolerate. You need to tolerate. Betty, what take why pastor, what who just salo boy? Many people they are going to air fire. Mani bumana take time they are going to air fire because a character will love a real life in now. Real life, what begomara, madam, why you lele we meba waki? Do you think that day the day God will judge you? Do you think that anybody will stand for you? Okobo just lose a life. Okobo lose life in those states. It don't even affect you people. You people are still making noise on social media, disgracing yourself, naked yourself, doing different type of things on social media. The social media is here only for the Edo people. The foolish one inside that you people are not ashamed. Look at the situation that people is passing through in Edo State. You people cannot even feel it. You cannot even think it. You cannot even think back. You're on social media because you have free Wi-Fi, because you have free subscription, you have light every day. As a Biafra people are the way the Biafra people insult Edo State rich. How many of you na come outside come insult Biafra people? Say one of they insult Edo State. How many of you na come out? Una no gree come out. But where go reach problem matter? Where go reach fight matter? Na so destiny say. Na so this one say. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. Una not get shame for her. But the one way call himself pastor. But the one way call himself a pagan. All of una not the shame at all. I'm ashamed of you people. Like we move no because here we go mogwa bogbe. Okay, can we amuwa? Why we total? Why we think left one? Why we think we be una? Any day we that pa na wa mi gwa be miesi. Ami gwa be miesi. Edo security ola jabede ni we nu wala wo wa gi ma ya kugbe. Na we mi kugbe na think kugbe na we mi ya kugbe. Na mi we do state oga the best. Ibe ma mi wa pa aro pa no la jabe platform oge. Aro pa no la jabe platform oge ya segbe a social media president. Social media president enogie. Ya segbe na ave Monica ave Monica Keya. Ni aro pa no la jabe no we okay wa get do senior second the security la jabe wa get do gbina when I am no ya dey okay. Ama mi wa. But we are gbese social media when na mi wa. Why this girl say gbugwa with social media? Wa pa ibi donore social media ka kene ku amuwa aka kene ku amuwa wa so no social media no wa full legbe aka kene ku amuwa kakabo because nya wo omo ekwe momo agi eki la wa ga video na wa gume share video na iwie di ma so ni mwere de gboto iye mwere de gboto ekwe muwa wa yo Dede no kobo wu we dona dede no wu o me say 1 month. Wo mo be feel wo mo be think we oti managele wa pa be oni. I have a feeling ne e dede gbe wo ya zu obe social media. No mu we ladia no je penti. Why je penti ladia? Akwe arene wa tami wie bo we a country mari wa mi agbema wa a country mari ma gwa e bano men wa bano wa we social media na why mi wie bono bano ade. Have you ever seen the white woman or white man naked on social media? Have you ever seen? The answer is no. The answer is no. Oyibo people, you know fine pass Oyibo. Your body, you know fresh pass Oyibo. But you don't ever see Oyibo come out for social media with nakedness. They get everything. Una say una they suffer. Wetin make una come out for Nigeria na suffer make una come out. Wanna take on Europe. Now wetin una they talk if una go commission and say Nigeria is this one is that. But una come the Europe una come hide now every day una go open yash, una go open breast, una go open everything for social media. Are you una the shame? Me I not believe say all those I not even believe say maybe all those people they be Benin people. I not believe. I'm not sure say they be Benin people. I'm not sure because real Benin person wey be say yes, you know their you know your culture. You go come social media they naked. The other one go cause this one. The other one go do now all of now we don't do swagger. Social media president na they starter. Social media president, what they call this boy no gay. Now they start all those swagger with their social media. So they do. They not get anything. Now they say they don't give their life to God. They say they don't repent. And people now go see they follow the kwe. Everybody now na pastor they won't enter. They won't enter pastor swagger. And so God call me. I get spirit where they use me where I want to pray for. Una way be follow where they follow them. Una know the reason. Una know they think. Because una they follow the night cause and they say they do what thing that they do. If una not they follow them, una not they hear what thing that they talk. I not believe say they go see they do this thing where they do so. Anywhere where you go for social media now, who you want here? Bini. Now let una did the word. Some of our Bini brothers and sisters. Now let una did this social media. Now let una dey inside. Dekwe mugwa mani gugwa ikwe mwima. Gwani wawe na wani banua be social media. Anamye we agiye mombe bunugwa. Bina ogugwa ya lobye kuwa o. Bina wokunwa ya lobye kuwa o wagita be social media. Ebi no be dame bugwa amye we edo wa be yata. Anime soro iye edo. Iye wa zedo kekan. Agbe yata we biye ekwe mugwa. Ekwe mugwa akekenu walagwa. Batio gugwa no panoro bete no on nikedi or mwen la dia oje pent why je pent. What is your dignity as a woman? What is your dignity? Them no a dignity where as a woman them no rukmo gwe ne ma respect. Them in way rukmo gwe na ne ma give respect na because of social media. How much are they going to pay you? How much are you going to receive? How much are you going to gain? Because of things of the world. Okay, about that and But what disgrace? What disgrace? What disgrace? And why I regret or a day? Time to regret is coming. Eh no gio, yasekbe no gio. Yasekbe social media president o. Yasekbe ave Monica o, ave Elolo. Yasekbe ivie. Beni ya tie bonne dose, beni vie Biafra tie bonne dose. Wa mami ni okpa, wa mati la jave social media no wadota we Wuwa unai. Na mie we na gbo ya je social media ya leli evie wo na wa maladia. Akwe arewe iga simieso ge na we baba o de osoge nu gwasimi. What we problem year to year? What we casino problem year to year? E destiny yokweva o. E destiny giri yokweva. Or yokwe ade no. Gugwa bugwe dem no kan wa bugwe dem no edi kugwa bugwe. E problem afo ove gare abati no bere Nigeria ani no be zuwa. Ove la jabe social media why you me respect it? E respect okpagi gugwa because we me internet no why use the phone ya gwa why respect ke no din wa o ke no ma di o wa ifilu pe gi agbon ya abati le ladi ave de ni ona ati ebo na kobe akobe na kobe yari agbon abati ma ka wi ya ija abati ma de ka wi ya friend rabat na kobe yari agbon akobe abati wa ladian do mo social media o mu dagbe o ti ebo na kobe wa ge mi wa ke awu wa ge mi u because emi nu ekinu wa dona egede wa ga regret wa mi wan wa atie gosi ya we emi ne dadoge ko dadoge hian ro be na ko beye ki baba se vote doni wa abati la abati na me ka vunwe wa tie bone no nwa ruda we ugure power ruda we oti obaseki o ukin o mudia no baseki yare obaseki cannot stay as a governor forever. Obaseki 4 years they work gba ne back by obaseki wa be pa o won bi ahian be mujo wa mie bagbon nai wa mie ke nore ke ivie do so nore social media ke nore webo ke nore Nigeria social media goes that boy na ama boy no so for you to talk to people no ya encourageable boy na all a problem every day ave mie dokpa no wa be la jam social media we emi no manya iwata o ya be gun be ne do aya ma be na ya gbina ne do be ne ri jogi ma he no be ne ri jogi ma he mai wa la dia me mi o be platform wa de gbera me bo o se emi na mati wajini esuaga ejinja inigo ya asanu wa inigo wa mie. What is your profit? What is your gain? They no again wa ekwe mu wa iye we kwe momo age ki okeke ne kwe amuwa ededegbe ezo problem ivia gboke do atie bogie do na ivia do kasun ivia do so ni mwere de gboto waka sun be social media waka sun wa ya uko egbu wa ya uko agege wiye marere ebono owi ya pe we ope ni ya we ne do se ne yen ege nu wa ya ege bo o wa ti ege gbu wa na ege ni ege gbera ne ege gu wa gi u bo sunu de mi no de na no magia bege emi gu ga no sunu we Nigeria na amase no ma ya me nwa okobo no ti ma odagu na we ti keni where is it Then I am okobo se for Edo State. Okbero horo no ma okobo wetedo. Ama say wiki or emoti no yagu. Waya utale me social media. Wawe swaga se, wawe ginger se. Wagwe. No dame we wani tie bone ni we. Then abati jenia, abati na me kavu we. Oh tie bona kobe. Obi okana la diaba kwa na do atie bona bat. Abati do we wagu tie bo me working. Benu we na tie bone no so we no obi okana tie bon we. Iwe do ya ipita we owo kan no ma dane dion dion gbe. Dion wa gbe. Itani o ma ye defua ane itani wa ye kian tele o ye kian ti today owo kan no ma dane dion dion gbe. But what yet to what that there? Aqua ware, emi esunu da wa never wa zosie, wa go so ugmeso emi sonu wa unyime no manu wanyi. Oko wa wodao. Wa continue. Iya wa akpobo nu waru de viewers. Evo wa agu wa share and all those videos nu wa una akwe gare wa na do wash egbe Imani e uvegani is too late to cry. Many videos ne ma before. Many videos ne ma before. Mani buni wa giyan latedo. Iye be joma weti yan de ticket. Warie. De kenurie. Because egeni na wa video ni na o we be ni wa we ni ya ti delete. Iye ma egwe ma share ne. Ma ya we video ne. O we ya delete. We ya delete. The another one the part 2 okay we. What did they sub? What did they play? As Biafra people insult Edo Rich, I don't see our Edo platform. All those some of our Edo people, whether they mumu themselves for social media, so as they insult Edo Rich, they talk different things for Edo. I don't see Benin people where they come outside to come say, Biafra people, mona huff down na ye mat na the create, una they talk to, na my door na they talk to. I don't see anybody, any of them, I don't see them. But when they hear about problem, all of them go hear prue. You go see them prue because of waiting, because of followers, or because of how much Facebook they pay una, how much una they receive. One until they disgrace una self for social media. One go finish, they go bring another one come outside. One go finish, they go bring another one come outside. Now the latest, now what they get now. Now be Destiny with your wife. Now be the latest now. I not even blame una. Now people where they help una, they share and I blame. Una not the shame. If una the shame, una supposed to don't sit down and think about una life. If una the shame, una supposed to don't sit down, think and say, the Nigeria where we forever come this Europe. We never even know as the Nigeria they go now. Whether war go come or whether war no go come. We never even know. Una not they even they think. Una not just una platform do better thing. People they clap follow una. May they clap follow una where. Better they come. Una go regret. Wait una they do so una go they regret and one by one. Una go see una fellow sister, fellow brother for social media. One and not say what they do, not good. Una way don't take, mostly people way don't take for this Europe. Now they be the real problem for social media. If you go watch all of the rad now, all those cargo for Europe, now they be the problem. Tomorrow they will tell you say you be dare, na you be. The way don't hold for Europe, what it be the good life whether they plant for the new people. What it be the good life, the good health one they built for them, for all those people where they don't enter now. Where they don't spend 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Una where don't dead since 20 years, I be 30 years. What it be the good plan una they plan for that? Now to come naked for social media. Now to come they call, they say, my husband sleep with me yesterday. My husband prick not the work. My husband prick did this. I sleep with this. Now those one be the good life when I want keep for that. Now those one be the good life. If you see all those swagger Edo people, some of our Edo people, some of them, not all. Because we see have people that is responsible. We see get people where you go see for road, you go say, this person not be a do. It's different. For the rest, all those one where they put themselves for social media. We still get the good ones. But all those old days cargo where they do social media. Because if you look all of the rand, they are not new in Europe. They're not new, all those old cargo. People like Enoge, people like social media, people like Yore, people like what do I call this woman self? Monica. They are not new in Europe. They're not new. All those Vivier, they're not new for Europe. Lolo, they're not new for Europe. They're not new. Gorishok Baika, all of them now old cargo. But all those are where they open their breasts, they open their nyash, they talk about prick. They not be new person for Europe. All of them are old cargo. What it be the better plan now? One of the plans for people where the new come this Europe now. What it be the good advice one of they give them? What it be the encouragement one of they give them? For how many years one of don't stay here? Since how many years one of don't stay for this Europe now? What it be the encouragement for the new people that just come to Europe now? What is the encouragement? So now they encourage either people, make they go social media now, go they naked themselves, make they go social media, make they go they do different things for social media. Now what you know they encourage them? And una not be small picking again. Una not be small baby. At least many of una not they go 47, 48, 50, 50 something, 60. Deborah, you cannot use that for here. Go downstairs. I love that door for me. What it be the good life one of the plan down, even for our children safe? Which one of the plan? We bless on our way come Europe that time. All those on our way enter flights take on Europe. We bless say get the one on our brain take day on our brain the maze con. Hello? No, you use that request. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Bye, friend.
Hello.
Good evening, my brother. Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Hello.
You dey hear me?
You dey hear me?
Yes. Good evening.
Yes, I dey hear you small like noise dey there. You dey hear me, ba?
I dey hear you now. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
I dey hear you. Hello.
Do?
Good evening.
I think contribute. You dey on live now, be?
Yes, we dey hear you.
I think contribute for the issue.
Yes.
May I speak Benin or English?
Anyone where you know say you won't speak, whether Benin or English, anyone.
Ya was Zedo.
Okay. Okay.
Ya wa ba mu ni ya dami o ya wa Zedo because ogwa mata mori ya bo wetin area.
Ah, wetin e dele woji.
O get it with him. E mi have penny out the problem ma no kabo wa wi ma wo we. E ho na. Iya do ya wo pa ya ge wo ya be o the main problem. O get it with him. Even ya uni da we gain no pa if you are no here o e gain ni agwalo abi da we view apa no ki you ma don't understand
you understand you understand them you tell you understand
ya ni zuona in dey make like me now you know tell we obije or in a family le we boma no it na be go wrong no it
abe guwegun
we get it because I am where in Nigeria in setting advice on other way because in feeding we get it I making on where you run or here I do advice where sunu we get it point that is why in Nigeria in setting advice in we bu egbe na we yan wa zu wona gare abi mostly here do in mu mato we do iye mu ge ma o ma we o you we do o mu mato we do la bian iye George de ma ni no me ma te ge do la da ma mu e unu obi ebu ya na ka o kiri ni bi do a George
abeg share this video iye menuta
wa bere ti azuwa re ri oni
iye ya fefe iye menuta
o ma ko ma no ri se do ni e o ye do udaho wa hen do ni o do de dayan osun aria ni do wa yan are group o be are group ori o be are group a group language ori yan so yan ye language ori yan ya gun awodo ya mu ibi do ri a I don't know if you understand me
you understand
sometimes only me wa re we when me wa re we e de egwa wa re we egwa ye mi lo ba ire mu na re egwa o yan wa re mo re o o me geni ni ya se o all those kind of things, you understand. You get the point, man. If man no make here, we do. Ijo na ro mu oni vi ko wo dori. E Monica nwinere wa money, nwinere owa mo. E to wo ne. E Monica o ne Destiny, o te to stay o iye gwale Destiny o. Imae o ni wo. You get the all of them. You wa ki problem ni maya prepare we do. Ṣé wà do down your man?
iye ma menu tapa
So me ma you pa ru mi bi we you paro na te tin se. Na me we I me so pe yan akia boy because no sense in to. Me ma beg the actuality no again in all because of you no paro no zuo na million or stay. O zuo ni 1 million wa ni no stay. Because they no need time, ma we bossa na repe, all the time see. We bossa because me ma beg this is about thing. We me ani ata. O wa me won na na ke mi ni o gba ri ku wa. O ko e gbejo a. Koku, we me no ko no o ro do la o ma po. You ma don't understand it.
e pa me wa menu beta
Minister wa babo mo ilé Destiny won Destiny lo pare do ko lo ya friend o ma bi igbe me ma understand yan ya pepe
evini ya ma understand bu we edo otedo na pe akeri okweva na okpe akeri okweha una epa mudane okay uno gworie okwe 7 orie even
we am I stop
okay
eri me ku se ri orie me ma be itale de
I don't just understand my brother all too much igbene be social media if you do so iya too much igbene
Monica ha yin na efi ogbejo a no ya awon odo fun eni bi yin na efi ogbejo a Me ma do me ma no logging me ma dey boy no wa logging na.
Me I don't just understand eh. You understand eh?
Ọba Abedoni nu emini. Baba na amoba ni do. Baba na ọba ni kiro. Amai in fact, imenya ya tani ya ni ana.
Ọba ri ọba ke imi re ne. Imi o keri ore. Ai sagbon ri ọba odogwa keri ore.
Ọba ri ti ebo. Ba mo speaker ni ya on relax ni ya.
Yeah,
Ọba ri ti ebo. Ọba ri ti ebo wa re no se menye yin egbe ni ye do ni bu ma he ti today ni atama we na. Ọba ri ti ebo yo we na isofa mo be webo ọba ti ebo yo ko be akoko na o ni ya sofa yin mo ko la webo na o ni ya sofa no do aya bi yin afefe ni ayin afen ọba ti ebo yi. So because of another ni o ha ma gin ari we o ma gin ya vie more do sofa yin be webo and ebo ya be pe ni atewu kini ya hu ni hunu ko ebo ya be pe ni ate amuni na bi ka yin ni abiore ebo ya be pe ni ya wu ebo ni o ri ton ni ebo ri o lo ya na ma me kia boy o ma manu aboye aya o ma me ene na ya be pe me ya me ya me egbe mu gbe ti de na ke wash you be he wash you my call ke kan when you agwa kan me do brafa of it you get the point man but no one or gwa kan no ladian we no see no say so admina ado amona no you see amu ego to
ọmọ ní abẹ́ ìwọ kí amáyé wa bring ẹ̀ dàmí ní wọ́n náà sàlóbọ̀.
ìjọ̀nùsáàgì rẹ̀ do ọ̀wọ̀ ìrìnà ọmọ rẹ̀ do ìmọ̀ ní ká ní ẹ̀rọ fẹ́ yà ní zuwọ́ náà ní a máa ṣe nàìjíríà o ní a máa ṣó ní ayáwé ìjọ̀bọ́ ni ọmọ yìí làdàn náà wọ́n yà tún abring ẹ̀ dàn èrè ọwọ́ náà nobody ní a máa yẹ yóò pẹ́ kan nobody ní yóò pẹ́ kan gbọ́ ọ̀yọ́ kan gbọ́ yóò pẹ́ kan ìráwìdì ọ̀yọ́ kan ìráwìdì the only thing wey me I me o meta me get do we ní ya pepe ní abazi gbe always sit down look na be dog wa ja ri ya ya end up in your pare ba mona ma ni se zo in your pare re ma be o ma be fo
ero
u get the point me one day o be fo eri ni ya o lo yan ma ya o setting ladian very me ye o setting ladian ke le rubbish ni a television muta e na you know Margaret na you know Margaret o Margaret ma ye money we la dian na ni o Margaret we do la dian we do talk go no we wa no so we sun ni saga ni o ma ni we do sun saga ni o get the point me just like a course all le yan kan o ma lo egun e course ni o we so ma ni gbe so it's better we use our brain na do sad mo ya gbe o get the point me ta ma we na
ni e no ta
so just continue hold on what with you the other advice about you my sister anybody no worry that we show me down yan is worrying now and no tie your good ways in the mind of it what anybody now will la hold on we picture we la yan on ro we e reply yan
me giyan me gbina ye ni me gwale be ni ya dole Nigeria ji ni ya dole region ri ma ji ni ya sima any ma country resources ni ya restructure country ni iye bege ni iye ware we boyan wagbon wa fo ne Igbo people can decide today to say everybody should go back to their country. Me I get that a social media working totally.
When the problem oro na, when the problem oro. No the we gbo na ke ta ma me. We gbo no. Ogwe mama mama rule regulation we ma me no dey share na person. No dey na bubi ya o si gbe na ni my ba. We get it because of it was a good time any man because of also running on the Germany at a monkey, they may not have where beginning of Godomigo, no, this one, you know, so
only good, Ujimofi, only good, no, ye, my energy. I am no more killer.
Only now, what people they find the down one.
That's why now you be
that our tradition. No try for that Nigeria when as in when they are happy say we get that tradition.
Monkey face not be human being. That one don't it don't frustrate. Now frustration they worry as they work clean picking pampers for Germany. It don't confuse. It not get sense. So all those kind of people they're not the reason their matter.
We get the point, man. So just follow your doing. Anything near what you are tired there's a my sister because I'm so much in love with you.
Thank you.
Everything because no one of them all who can come out apart from rubbish. Are you getting what I'm saying? Apart from rubbish. You get the point here? I think not everybody who may demand the bill, not maybe where I know history more than some people. I can come about. You know, you might like where maybe I can't come about. You know, my man, not that he Latin, one can't be now, he's supported. I don't know if you understand.
You understand?
So now, what about somebody are you? One day, you have a large have to talk well. I don't know well at you. Whether I'm man here or by the maple, yeah, with my man, so yeah, where understand?
What's it?
Yeah, most of it now when I sign all the verity, all the proof, all the fair, yeah, the amity.
What's it? Thomas, what's it? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, what's it? Okay, bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me. My people, Iviedo, wa gbere yin yenu waje na. Me ma dey against anybody, ima anybody bet ekinu wado, eminu wa u. Ogi pa madi. Amana yes one where the wonderful twins or where eminori sunu ma gbon to ogi pa madi o. Iviedo so emini yagi u e character ogi yan. Beni ya behave. Me magi understand. Ekwe mwime dekwe mugwa no disgrace gbugwa be social media ekwe mwime me no tingwa ekwe mwime ede no pa ina obi iyore na ata owe ibiedo iye ma be mi ropa ibiedo nya wa oginya wa zua we no biedo we atie boni biedo we eri oginya wa zua abe mi egbo wa be na de a meme o de wu ni owe ibi gbo nya zua me on there we otabe a program of where if Igbo people there too mumu me I never hear am one day but only mamini where because of say he won dokpa because on you what do atie bonebo nu gwekere who do respect etian ogugwe enwe gugwe gwa for what it doesn't work like that. It's not working. I make enemy danger. Nowhere where bad thing not there. Bad thing there everywhere, it full everywhere. Whether they see bad thing and then they see good thing. Makeke ni ma mwegbi magboto. Me video pane e baba no ro wa me video pano nata. We man ivie do we man na uji no ri magbe. Makeke ni ma mwefua. Eri mata ebo wa at least when it awe eri mana manogele gwa endo o ni yata we eri ma. Bogi sunu deminu wagi geni bo wa we swaga wa we jinja wa inigo wa geni inigo Facebook pay wa. How much are they paying you on Facebook because of your swagger, because of your ginger? How much are you getting? How much you na get? Una the disgrace una self, una not the disgrace person. See the other one whether na Germany there. I don't forget his name. I don't know whether one girl where they open breast, where they open, you go wear pants, honorary pants. That the other day I just the pass for Facebook, I see where they talk say, Bini people wanna leave me, who Bini help, who Bini do. If you want do your if you want, I want to tell you one thing. If you want do your swagger, as far as saying na swagger life you come, nobody tell you say me you not do your swagger life. If you want to continue and they do one, bet only what I not go take for inside. That Bini one I call they call inside. And those stay when I call they put inside. If now if they respect only that one, not they call a dog, Mona not they even they speak Bini at all. Mona not they even they speak Bini at all. Mona they speak una English. If you want naked your life, naked that for social media na your life. You have your life to live. But what did they pay me for inside? If now they bring Bini they enter inside, people go they say Bini people. Do if you want do your own, do one. Call your own name. Forget about Bini people. If now you know the kind of life where you won't live. And what did they pay me all those people whether they do swagger for social media? They get papa, they get mama, they get sister. Me as I did now, where I know say my sister feel they wash me now for this social media where I did now, or my family father feel they wash me now for this program, or my mama sister feel they wash me. I can't come on my shed, come they pack my breast, they put my nyash. God forbid batting over my dead body. Even though Facebook won't pay me 10 million. May they carry their 10 million, they go. I'm okay like this. Before, If you dey abroad, for person to ever give, you won't even give your friend your number self, you go dey fear, say, no, not give them my number. No even tell them, say, I enter abroad. But nowadays, now, our people will just dey naked yourself. You say you dey abroad. People will even dey Nigeria, they better pass you. You don't ever see any Nigerian girl where you open your breast for social media. You open your toto for social media. The answer is no. How much Instagram? How much Instagram is going to pay you because of how much they won't give you? Why some of us? Why be so on the disgrace on ourselves, on the sell on our dignity? The other day I watched one girl. He say, hey, if you want to wash is for free. My own is for free. Are you out of your senses? What it be the respect where woman get? As I wear clothes, so nobody knows my body be. Now be the respect where we get. Another respect, no day. Another respect, no day. That is why you see, say, if boy they shade you now, boy want to toast you. He go they beg you, baby, I beg. Why? He never see anything. He never see that way they find. Now be the respect we get for you. We see they make and they beg you. Say, baby, please, now you know I love you, know I do this. Totally say you put your career on social media. My people, what did they sub? What did they play? What soon na? Walking na? Agele wage kobo ni ya we guess ni ya muye we bo na ni ya stop ni ya you guess rock ba dia we bo na wa ve. If I gba na wa le ya gbe all those old cargo in Europe. So my day ticket in Nigeria there since almost 30 years or 40 something years. Iye total tinkeni. Nu we yak pa ye dore maya mijo maya miera. Maya me want to who think we ni gwale ni ya make we ni ya minya. Ure social media. Ave ti weni avo ti weni ave iju avera. Iye na bege we no vi mana yak pa ye dore. Amade gbele Nigeria ge kino iwa dobe social media. They say, all those friends where we first get that time for Nigeria, if they come they sue now for social media now say na nakedness, na come they naked. How na won't feel? How you won't feel? God forbid bad thing, oh. As I did now, where I not say my village people now they watch me. My brothers and sisters now they watch me. My friends they see me. I can't they disgrace myself for you. God forbid. They say that they big pass something. He get where person they mature rich. You go get sense. Even though nobody advise you, go advise yourself. You advise yourself. So if you want to call in to contribute, my number is here. You are free to contribute. Because if we know they talk to this, some of all those our sisters, whether they disgrace themselves for social media, so if we know they use only one time, they talk to them, that's what they do every time. Hello?
Hello, Mama.
Pardon, sir.
Obota.
Pardon, sir, Bota.
Obota, Vivi Adiana.
Avec bon, ça, l'eau, pardon,
Should you see the online?
Yes.
Okay. They watch you online just now. As in, according to the topic you carry out.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Hello?
Epa, we
Can you hear me?
hear you.
Okay. Please. I've been calling you before. It's not today. It's not today. I've been calling you before. So what you are doing, I'm in love with it. You understand?
Okay.
I'm in love with it.
Okay.
So no matter what they will say, people doing whatever you are doing. You understand me?
Thank you, sir.
I will know.
What's it?
You understand?
What's it, sir?
So anybody normal like a program you wear. You understand?
No, sir.
So
ade man ni gbowon mo o e man ni gbowon mo o no we ene edogi ana medogi inya ri oboye du ekure inya mi ewuji ene do ami inya mi ewuji
e mata no sa
so inya ri ve ne we inya gi jowa
wa no ni why the truth
we bona inya omaji
yes
you understand inya ve ne we bona inya omaji we inya jowa so even no he that way osalobua no gie eni ya gelema be na eboya gwalo eji
ise
so oni eru ne dando gena
ise
oba no oba a president of Nigeria
mata ni
emi no ba wu o ma concern me politics
mata no
politics emi no be politics I will tell by your Guinea where not the one a politics. No man dossier or coye yebo ye
mata no
where no man do me politics ya yoji. So emi ade mani ene if say so no be budget a mokifesi there obi sani no ade jemnoje imake noje noga nyanya be social media we know there where any of you do near the train station any here legbina where all those country where here erinye gboma be do hotel where of you do near so can any afefe ogwe ahia ya polinya rio tegbo ya tegbo ni ya gwalo ni ya steady so all the ni taje a program we na
e pa wese sa wese domo sa
obi hin dokpa
wese sa domo
okay
Emini bie gondwa una anagwe yagwa agbode anatemata emini bie gondwa una ibie doka suwe ibie do so iya ka suwe iya yebe gbiyan ti today iya video ni ya iya save ya ama we na waka ga so fa no mi akwaru nu ya gwe wa adwe kinu wa that wa adwe kibe social media why dwe for ne e ansa ngwa eri wodu wa oko wa wotedo except wa magi ledo de except wagi jedo ame pokpa ni miebe e city mebe uwe last week biki winade ina ona tamame we iwe do so veni ya nyibe social media o wi ga la Nigeria ye na miabe guess ni be Nigeria o wetin ya measure we ye ogun ya pa ye de yo te na we bozie o we because veni ya disgrace ya be social media wi ye malake and it's true e ma buno wa no dia ko wa except wa ma de ticket ijo wa why bunu wa kere ni ya where you say you not where Edo State not be Lagos, Edo State not be Igbo land, Edo State not be Europe, where the ticketing we are Edo State and ani wa zoo of social media ni ejo wa ni abi yan rie iya be he we yan rie wa because if na me mie de ni me yan wan se be na me mie de imegi mie ya ivie dogi mo nyi me se ivie dogi me respect se ivie dogi respect myself. Go and lock that door for me. If you like, you excuse your face. I'm using this phone. I cannot give it to you. Go and read. No me Teresa. If you don't give me respect, say, vogi sununa. Edegagbe mena arogwa ni mena aredo. Edenagbe uhia digwe to otiwe no dionwe. Uhia digwe to obedi agbe. Oriju we no dionwe. O papa 1 year kekan ya dionwe. U must digwe to obedi agbe. Shendi ju kwa no she internet. Vai ju kozi vole prend internet. Tu ake Deborah vole guardare sieme. Mi senti? vai guardar dire vale io detto tutti e due guarda insieme. No, sorry my people. So all those things where they happen, different things. Our people they see all those things, but it not concern them. Mona not medicine no shock una say 2020 this 2021 so. Before you go finish to stroke 2022, una go see wetin go happen for that Nigeria. All of una dey social media now fight na all una. Na problem to problem na all una. Una no dey think say the way Nigeria dey go na the situation of this Nigeria now. How we go take do away be say the situation go dey okay for us. Abi una no get family for us. Una no get sisters for us. Una no get even though una no get mama get papa for Nigeria, at least una get friends. Una get brothers, una get sisters. Wait, be safe. Swagger not let una see road. Ginger not let una see road. As Lady Joy don't shout reach. May we stand together. May we come together. May everybody they broadcast for social media say, okay, we want may the destruction that country, may the destruction Nigeria, may we they control our resources. I never see all of una say, now true this lady really they talk. May we use this our platform to they talk to people. How Nigeria go take do okay. Now you're still saying that this Nigeria, this Europe, now I want day forever. If Oyibo people decide today to say all Africa to go back to their country, I believe say many people they will go stay social media. They go your inside social media. Fear no will ever let the buy ticket reach Lagos. After say Lagos, fear no will let the buy ticket reach, because anybody will follow you enter flight. He don't already see you say you come down for flight. Now say go call another person. This girl where they insult Benin that day, don't enter flight or you go soon come down for Lagos. Before you know. So, yeah, we don't fear ko. Oh, by when. If you carry farm, you brought the farm, you not brought the farm where you don't put fire. Now you go see suffer, they gather out those dirty. But if you brush out where you don't put fire, the thing not go too difficult for you again. Because our people, some of our Edo people, the way that they disgrace themselves for social media, they are disgracing themselves. They are not disgracing the Edo people. You are not disgracing us. You disgrace yourself. If you do something, they're not saying that you now do something. If you do bad thing, they're not saying that your name now they go call. They not go call Lady Joy name. They not go call my name. Now your name they won't call because they see everything what you they do. So anything what you do for your platform, they are going to call your name. It's not my name. It's not Lady Joy. So when I notice say, una they do, una they use and they spoil Benin people name, una they use and they spoil all the old Benin to the world. God forbid. Now yourself you they disgrace. You are not disgracing all the old Benin. You are not disgracing us. You people must know that. You are disgracing yourself. Everybody knows saying that you disgrace yourself. Not be me disgrace myself. You were they social media now they naked. Me where I did social media and I put cloth cover myself. You won't tell me saying that me that they talk to. They can never talk to me. They are talking to you. So when they talk to you people, they want to talk anything now. If they want to say that girl where they do social live video for social media where they naked, you just say they go call Lady Joy name. They not go call my name. They can never call my name. Now you where they naked for social media. Now you they won't call the name. Now you they go answer. Say, you don't remember that girl where they open in nakedness that time. You remember now that 2020, that 2021, that girl where they open in yash for ground, that girl where they open in breast for ground. Now your name they won't call because now you they know. Now you open yourself. Now you they want disgrace, not be me. It's not me. So whatever you are doing, don't just think that maybe you are using it to punish the Edo people. You are using it to bring the Edo people down. You cannot bring us down. You cannot bring us down because in way if you ever down there down don't get ze. Down there your ze if you ever be where now. If you born twins, that twins na different life now they won't live. So even though they be twins, the other one called they live bad life, the other one they live good life. That bad one where they live the bad life, so now that one they go see those as a bad life. That one where they do good life, so they will see know that one as a good life. And what did they pay me for inside una mama? Excuse me, I get kata ko one person. Una mama where they wash you now. Una papa where they wash you now. Una family, una sister, they see you now. They not go ever fit talk to una. They not go ever fit talk to una. Yeah, where amora agbese onyemera seni bioy. Amoma na agbese vo onyeme seni bioy agwa. Onyeme seni bioy akeke ne kwe bia mugwa ya segbe ne family nu wakere akeke ni abia tiwa ni abia gugwa gwa webu wa mye bagbonai but batie nana bo de nana mabege na bo sunu na wa ya mye we nu wa stopping win oge nu wagi mwabe gesire ana wa mye we social media na iwa ona wa mwere ona catch fire. E catch fire. I felt talk and just now say all those people where they don't hold for Europe now they be swagger ginger for social media. And the truth, if you go look all of them now one by one, all of them are old days cargo for Europe. All of them are old cargo. Old cargo. You cannot see it direct for swagger. Go look how many you go. How many direct you go see for this swagger whether they do so? How many direct you go see for inside? How many you won't see? Because the time when they come Europe, they not suffer. Now flight, now they take come. They don't know what it be life. They don't know what it be life. They don't know. Tomorrow, you go where maybe one boy will pass Libya Road. Now we go do one thing now. You go see all those people when they pass flight. They will come and say, una way pass Libya Road. Una they do this one. Una they do this one. Una be there. Una way don't tire for this Europe. We don't hold for this Europe. Una pass flight. Una not even beg water drink for road. Una not beg Gary eat for road. Una not even pass desert where sun go beat you or your eye go come the red. Some people they drink peace for desert. Una don't ever see all those idare for social media now. Whether they disgrace themselves. Una don't ever see idare whether they do swagger, they open their toto, they open their bread. The answer is no. Which people now they see all those old cargo where they follow flight, where they don't tire, they don't taba. No, don't tire. Egbe gwo wane. Babe tie na yi. Every time, Iviedo, Esovo, eya. Because Iviedo ni waje negbe waje ro. Iviedo no saloba waye giagbon, o waye boom. Times 50. Why you boom? So, Mona not to say as una they do na swagger, una they do na ginger, una they use and they bring a do down. You people are not bringing a do down. You are bringing yourself. You bring yourself down, not the Edo people. You are bringing yourself down, not the Edo people. Because we still have the great people. The great people. We still have them. So all those people when they disgrace themselves for social media, and I'm not surprised, say maybe they mix blood with Igbo blood, or they mix blood with Yoruba blood, or they don't mix blood with another place. Even some of all those people, most of them they speak Benin, most of them they born there for Edo state, they can even speak past you, where be Edo. But all those things, once they speak language like that, they will say, okay, Edo people, now they do this one, Edo people now do this one, Edo people now do that one. So, if una not the reason, one reason for una say, many of una, all those Enogie, is one social media president, all those Yore, all those Lolo, all those Monica, all those Ivienivie, all those Sige one where they see they call new generation, whether a new generation they call have been an old generation, I don't know. Many of them, and that new generation, so he get one man where he call for Benin one day, he call that new generation. He tell us say, Ekinuwa dobe social media na ma beguwa. I not get that video again. If I get that video for player. Ekinuwa dobe social media na ma beguwa. Uwa we ma redo ma bege mi yanosunu. And it's true. All the elders in Edo State, they see you people on social media. They see the way you people behave. Do you think that you are using it to punish Edo State? The answer is no. You are using it to punish yourself. Because any video that you people do, they keep it aside. They keep it aside. They store the video for you people. So that tomorrow, if they tell you, see the video what you do, before you go say, not be me, not be me do that kind of video, not be me do that kind of video, they go come carry and come out like it. They go show you, say, who be this one? Who be this? And that time your body go shock you. You say, so these people, they still get this video. I shock. Now, what see some people do, the time when they go Benin, they say, you talk to Palace. He said, no, I not talk to Palace, so You insult Paula. I say no. Now it's okay. They bring a video, come outside, then show and say, see, who get this video? Who get this video? It's shock. Because don't just think that any video you do, as you delete the video is no more existing again. It's a lie. It's still existing. Many people, they follow this social media. As I they talk so, many people, where they watch me. Where I don't even expect. So no go ever click on. They will just they watch you, they listen to you. Maybe say what you they talk na bad thing. They go save the video. They will go send down, go give the elders. They will go send down, go give the total of people where go feel save and that. They go save and it go they wait you. Maybe one day Lady Joy go just go bini like you say Lady Joy La Remana Lady Joy a video ya no ma beg ya lare at our video na. Go say, hey, Babala, wo, eriteta, e mata e very oni, e mo we, wa hi ya dina e wo we. E mi no ro ne, e fesi were wa ne, e tu mo fesi wele. So anything no matter how we life you now. Okay, can no use the sense of okay, can no use the wisdom ge. E wa ka we ru da we ure we bo we, agbonfo ne, agbonma efo. Iya wa gata mo wo ka ge agbonre. Aga okay wa na se worry no, o ma go dagbon yere. Oh, that mona wa yere. Oh, ye fa. We're not kemanajo where are you Dubai? Why will dag mo yere? We're not kemanajo working us in Nigeria. We are go dag mo yere. We are where's any kakan? When I want where's any kakan? We are get agmo wa yere or yere kakabo. Yeah, where agata mo work away. That's the one now. You the twins brother. Owe agata mo work agagbore. Oga okay, ma say worry no. Egi o dag mo yere o. So while we are where a life in a where in Europe na wa hand, or my hand in Europe now, why ye here, or ye tank here, or why ye here? Una Nigeria where they we bo exist, umana career we bo where they a maveri na existing. Oti una do laone. Una Nigeria umana la desert. From Libya to Italy. Iya watama where from Libya to Italy, maybe like 2 days, 3 days, you don't enter Italy. Where? You sure? I was there. One of my friends, you come on, no, they don't enter Italy. 2 days, you don't enter Italy. Who are the guy? You just buy gari, buy salt, buy coconut, you go say you want to enter Italy. Before 2 days, I don't reach there. What did they say? Not the hard. My brother. They say, who no go? You don't know. When you don't carry your bag, you don't reach Kano. Only the border where you want to cross Kano to Niger self alone. They go put you for inside. That tipper where they carry sand. They'll put you for inside there. Use one big bag for to cover you. Only that one alone. Go first say, on we bonia way 2 days was a way boy. Wajena. You first come pass them before you come pass through desert. For 4 days or 1 week, maybe like Ilos we not wrong. Maybe like 1 week you go dey inside desert, you no go see go, you no go see corn, you no go see anybody. That person go come tell you say if you enter Libya road before 2 days you don't reach Europe. So life still far. It's still far. Not be the way we they think not be so it they be. And not forget say all this problem one of the cause for social media. So this problem now they come to affect una children. It go affect una children. Wetin they make me they say it go affect una children be say when you born today now, as you born, maybe your pikin now, maybe Lolo pikin now won't go marry Monica pikin. Lolo will say, no, I don't want me you marry Lolo pikin, no, and they don't already fall in love. And that Lolo pikin now already say, if I don't marry this Monica pikin, I don't go agree. Una don't cause those children pains. Because of what una fe do pass. All those videos wanna do pass, they'll come they watch all of them say, so ekinabi je meka wa dona hina egboko na ariye iri egboko na so ko na ka wa tie boni jeme bia yawu all those things na hatred una don't build down una fit dey do am say maybe na joke because as I dey now if I see one video where person take insult my mama he come dey insult my mama he call my mama name dey insult her if I come watch this video now I can never forgive that person. If I see that person I will never be happy with her. Because only that video alone where I see where it insult my mama, I go feel pain, I go feel so bad, I no go dey happy with you. I must tell you the truth. Talk like say my pikin won't come marry your pikin. God forbid, I no go agree. All those things Well, the time may God give una long life. More na last. If una can't die tomorrow, now those children now una put for problem. Those una children one are the born now una put for problem because they will come they say Monica was not playing with my mother. Lola did not love Monica one day. I always see their video. They always fight on social media. So I don't think if you can be my husband, or I don't think you can be my wife because of the hatred your mother have built before. Yes, it's true. Go and mark today's date. So any swagger one they do today, one they do for our children down. Mona not saying na Lady J na they use and they disgrace, or na they use and they disgrace Edo people. Nobody go fit disgrace Edo people. Edo do be Edo. Your swagger where you they do, you no go fit change Edo. Your ginger where you they do, you no go fit use that say Edo not be again. No. The swagger where you they do, you no go make her say okay now Edo state Oba no go dey again. The answer is no. So una swagger not stop Edo people. Una swagger not stop the responsible Edo people. Una swagger not stop us. When another say as una they do they damage Edo image. You know they damage Edo image. We are still from Edo state. We are still Godomigodo. We are still do. Nobody can change it. And nobody can stop it. When you are disgracing yourself, when you are doing your swagger, when you are doing your ginger, you are using it to disgrace yourself. And you are using it to kill your career. You are using it to kill your children's career. Because any good thing you do today as a mother is going to affect your children. Don't just put that one in back of your mind. That is why I'll say another where omanogi biene eri we mi down. Una iga biene una amo money iga we mi down because okwonu omana affect we o ya affect we bi yeke. Ya o say ni be dona ya pita we omanogi biene omakeke no we mi ho. Because ya we ruweki etu ya ruweki wa afi gbe la weki we me du gbe nu we afi ni o ya degbo tun o ya degbo we o ya degbo tiera o degbo tinju e. So ma ra we mi okeke ni ma think okeke ni ma reason okeke ege na by na ivie do ya no gire social media iye suma kukugbegbo okay we no te doje na be na ba ya dolo te doje no mase no jena oge erima no rekete ebabima no rekete opobo we ibi me na ya wa gbese iya ya kugbe ni ya dolo te doji e fula ni ya gwogo te dokia wa bege ni be social media eni go a topic ni egu wa mula dia me nyaro pa de we abe ot kago no we social media na ni ya do la dia we okay o te do wa ya fi o te do we ye na baya we a security no be la dia na wa gi mario boku gbe na mye we Edo secure na secure because 2022 amemi no ga sunu na gbe do si boku gbe na ya gada e woni ero emi no money la dia be topic. Okay, Destiny go marry Esther. Destiny go marry Edward. Destiny okpa yare no mo kweva. Iviedo eso bonore social media ni we swaga. Again, I mean at Regina Daniel. How many wife Regina Daniel husband marry? How many wife he marry? 7 wife. He still they marry they come o. How many times you don't hear say that Regina Daniel husband, the language way the village way for come, they come out, come they talk about the man. How many you don't see? Why be say all those swagger Edo people where they did social media, they see person where they go up, they won't bring them down, they won't bring that person down. Are you God? All those things one they do, so get we won't carry and go. Even the followers one they make, the money one they see for this social media, we won't carry and go. I be no if person die now, you know we even know whether you get children. Talking about say you get husband or now 1 million where you make now you won't carry follow body. You don't go carry and go. We all they carry the money they go. Even the followers, where are you taking it to? Let me block this idiots. So if you make bad comments, I will block you because this platform. I'm okay. Any viewers I get, I'm okay. I'm okay. So I will not because of I want to have viewers to go and be doing nonsense. wanna take clap, follow all those people where they do swagger for social media. So una go they clap for them, write down. Thank you, good topic. Una go they write for them. Una go they comment them. They pull hand, they pull love. Carry on, my lady. Wanna take cause problem put for social media today. So una know me now. Not be saying una know me. Una know Lady Joy and I see Lady Joy still there here. If God won't bless person, if God won't bless you, not be even all those swagger what they do for this social media. I want to do swagger. May they for carry my video. Me I forget viewers. Me I forget followers. Who followers help? Who they help? Because when you dey problem tomorrow, followers cannot follow you. Oh. When you are in problem tomorrow, followers cannot follow you. That is what number one thing you may know. When you are in problem, followers they cannot take you to anywhere. See monkey face now when they insulted those states. If they insulted those states, people they clap for her. Right down. Mona tell her me buy tickets, me go at those states. I know ya ba na ga khae. Again no na we ebe na tie baba area TJ. E ma no na ebe na be no obie gemli yari e yogwa area okoyari okpa yogwa be those states. Again no na nyare social media nyare were ya agwani ya ebe na emokifesi ni genia emokifesi hia ladi abe na no gwe Germany governor no tie bone mokifesi cannot come out today to be insulting Jama leaders. He cannot try it because he not say if he try and once they go take fling gun back to Nigeria because mokifesi no say in the Germany and those states he can never enter those states again. Like I said, they talk rubbish. If he not say yes, he be really ma, he be a dumb ma. Say he be really go the way really they talk so. May buy ticket. If he not get money, may we donate money for her. We go buy the ticket, give her for a hand, may go at those states. Uwa Sophia where they said that one don't already talk saying for a life to coin no go lala enter Bini again. So that one don't already know the what it don't cost, the consequence he already know. So nobody go tell her. So una way they talk to Bini where mona they talk, mona continue na swagger with the clap for una. Mona try, mona continue. Mona continue na swagger because of followers. Mona continue. The time where Pepe go take the enter una, Lady Joy go dey see una like this. Hey, Lady Joy tell you not here. When I advise you not take. Then on they tell you person yeah. Then on they tell you person yeah. Whatever you sow, now you go reap. If you plant corn, na corn go come outside. If you plant pineapple, na pineapple will come outside. Thank you so much, my brother. Anything where you sow, now you go reap. Mona they sow and people they wash you now. The young people where they grow they corn, the small children, they see you now. They see you now. They see you now. Maybe they look now. Maybe we look the way una go take end the music one they play. Maybe we see the way una go take end down. As a good mother or as a good father or as a good senior sister, I must tell you the truth. All those people where they do swagger. So if I get one way, be say now my elder sister not go even fit do that nonsense. That nonsense, you not go fit do one. Because if they try and not say yes, now my sister, my blood sister. If you try now me go enter social media and I go disgrace her by myself. Now me go bring her come and since he not respect himself, me go come follow and disgrace her where. My sister cannot even try it because iya koki mawowa ima nwa because a mess on the social media na I believe we ya ma nwa bari ya ma koki ya ama biwa anuwa ma koku wa to because omonagele koko omonije koko omonera koko odo azuo be social media be na e ki ati azuo emi agboron wa talk emi agboron wa mwenla dia e have zero be wa be penebe we bona wa keke no la dia do atame mani dare we wala eteme ni ko wala gbogbo wa gi masiku gbe wa gebe ne we bona jie wa eko ago tori ogweji o wa ekin agbera be na e we bona wa ki ame documenti give nu awu wa oni yari wina nu give nu awu nothing, no advice, no encouragement. You are discouraging the new people in Europe. You people are discouraging them. You are discouraging them because when they watch some videos sometimes, they even enter bed, say they go tired, say, I wish I know if I not even come Europe. What is your encouragement as a old person in Europe? What you na encourage for us? What you na encourage for the people where just knew they come? Some people they not get documents since how many years? What is your encouragement for them? To talk to them, to say, my brother, have patience, do like this, go to Questora, tell them like this. Before you do those one or two things, they are going to give you documents. They are going to give you this. They are going to help you. No encouragement, nothing. The people where we were supposed to use to do Mamana for Europe, where they're supposed to encourage our young ones, now then they do swagger. Who want to advise each other? Who is going to advise each other? Please, if you are here, you listen to me. If you have any contribution, please, I want you to call in. At least we are going by 7 o'clock. We still have little time. If you know you want to contribute in this topic, anything that you know that, yes, this thing that those people are really doing, are they really doing good, or what they are doing is not really good? I want people's opinion. I want people to drop their opinion. I want you to call in, to advise, or to bring out, this is what I feel, or this is why they are doing all those things, or this is, I don't know. I don't know, because we learn every day. Thank you so much. Do you understand? We learn every day. Let's encourage each other. Even people who are in Europe now, they go think about Europe. So people there now, they never get document. Like all those people where they new enter now, they not get document. They not get anything. They look until now where don't they Europe since. Me I go near this sister, or this sister where don't they Europe since 20 years or 30 years. Maybe he go still give me some advice, or maybe he go still advise me for some kind of things. He go call you now to they explain itself to you. You go carry phone, you go the record down. Tomorrow now that one you want to do topic. Why are we so like this? Why are we so like this? That is why you see nowadays, nobody even they say, me I call this person, me I tell and say, see what thing they pass through, whether I get advice will go give me. Nobody, because all those our mama where they social media, all those our swagger, all those our ginger, where you don't call them now. Before you know, tomorrow you go here for social media, say, see what Lady Joy can't tell me yesterday, now I won't play like this. How are we going to continue this kind of life? Tomorrow we go say, Oyibo na resist. Oyibo is a resist. The black people, they are more resist than the white people. I must tell you the truth. The black people, they are more resist. Me na black, you na black, they do resist for me. Why are we deceiving ourselves? The Oyibo people, they even better pass us. What to make me talk and be say, Oyibo person now, we did their country. They take us as one, even though some of them still they do one kind. But majority of them still like us. I believe say if now Oyibo people now come Nigeria like this, I know what in our Nigeria people go use their eyes see now. I know what in Nigeria people go use their eyes see. With power, with jealousness or different thing. If Africa see they do themselves like this, they bring themselves down. What about the white people? What about the white people? The black people, their resist is more than the other people. Tomorrow you go hear where black person they talk say I enter motor with one Igbo woman today. The way you they look me, that woman you be resist. You wait they say person are resist. The resist where black people even get, it pass Oyibo. I must repeat it again. What it be the love where they show each other? Say I love you, I love you. Love when you say you love your friend, not pass here. Person go call you to tell you, maybe I call you, I won't tell you something now. I don't know say you the record down. You go the record down. The record down. Waiting I tell you secret, you go break and come out for social media. Is that love? Is that not a resist? It's a big resist. Very big one. See we black now, if God do something for one person, now the other one go they jealous. He go they jealous, he go they look at how much I feel you kill this person now, collect this thing for you. But Oyibo can never think like that. Oyibo if you go sleep with man, I go tell you say see the way you sleep with this man. Oyibo if you go buy something, if you see money carry now 10,000 euro, he go come tell you say I see 10,000 naira carry oh. But black man can never tell you because he not say if he tell you are going to betray her or you betrayed him. So who now have the resist? spirit of jealousness. If you see all those ones they do swagger today, now that spirit of jealousness, now see they worry them. Spirit of hatred, because of say maybe Monica don't to get followers past Lolo, or because of Lolo don't to get followers past Ivyenivie, or because of Iyore don't to get member past social media president. Before you know, you go do video. Hatred don't come, jealousy don't come, it won't bring her down. It won't bring her down. You know what, man? I don't want to hear say people say na Monica and I can't get followers passo. I don't want to hear say people say na Iyore and I can't get member passo. See the other video one day. I don't know whether I still saw this video. You get one woman for Germany, one young woman like that. Whether he say Owie Solution Ministry. Whether Owie Solution Ministry like that. I see one video where they do. He say Iyore go block a live video. Iyore this one. He dey jealousy because he put beat for head. Because he be pastor. Because he won't be solution minister. No. The way they insult her, you say you won't be pastor. You want to preach to people. Do you think that pastor now what it really easy me everybody do?
I don't do one play.
See. You think say now what just dey easy? To be a pastor, to be a man of God. Now, what I tell one brother that day, they tell us something for group, if verse come out. I tell her, say you be man of God. You know what God passed through? Even God will create yourself. God, they regret. What he make and create us when human be? If they regret. Even Jesus Christ, they deny her. Best way, the best friend way follow. Even Jesus Christ tell her, say, I not say before now till 12 o'clock, you go deny me. He really denied Jesus Christ. So nobody that called himself as a man of God. I go see all those people where they say they be man of God, they be woman of God. Person go provoke you. You go just see on social media, come they insult. Do you think that person is real? That this person really have fear of God? I remember the time when we did Benin. That's how we they come as a young girl now. We they come about 6 of us, be 7 of us. The church where we come they go, that's our Agboma church. They can't say me we come baptize. I can't say me. I never really did worldly to baptize. I never really strong reach to baptize, because if I baptize, I need to keep to waiting baptize talk. Before you do that baptize, before they carry you enter, you must keep to those promises. I'm not baptized, but all those my girlfriend, all those my sister where they baptized. If I tell you the kind of life where they live today, you say go shock. When time reach, I go baptize, and if I baptize, I don't say yes, I don't baptize. I don't really submit. Not be to yours come out for social media. They say, God come here, Jesus come here, this one come me, this one come me. See, my people, if we don't look well, if we don't open our eye, where many of us go fire. Many of us, we go because of pastor, because of God coming, because of princess, or because of an enemy. Many of us will go to hellfire. Many of us. Many. Because evil Bible, evil talk and say time to come. Many evil. They go pack people, the children of God, they will pack, they go hellfire. Now, what thing they happen now? You see person today go insult, finish for social media. Tomorrow go tell you, say God don't arrest her. Next tomorrow go say God don't call her. Say if he pray for you, God will answer you. There is nobody God cannot answer. If I have faith, if I believe in God, that God can really do it for me, if I pray, God can answer me. Yes. Now, before they don't follow people, say, Pastor, I can't call Pastor, the little man, no, I don't call anybody to pray for me. Before I sleep, I pray. Say, God, my life is in your hand. My family's life is in your hand. My children's life is in your hand. May you come and take control. Finish. I don't like dance. I don't like that. They break. I don't go where they go. If I say I put my life, they say, God, as I'm going, go with me. Anything you ask with your mouth, that is what God will answer you. Don't just be waiting for somebody. Maybe tomorrow now, you'll wake up now, say, okay, my people, God, don't come you. Now, my program is Lady Joy Solution Ministry. What thing I want to talk? What am I going to... Who are we deceiving? After you not do your swagger, after you not do your different things, you will not say, God have called you. It's not like that. It's not like that. That is why you see today the whole world, everybody want enter pastor. Everybody want preach the word of God, because they not saying that there's much more money for they come outside. My brother, my sister, Make everybody they look unto in faith, look unto God. That is what I believe. Because when you die today, no pastor is going to go with you. No member. Even on that last day, nobody will stand with you. Even your beloved husband cannot stand with you. Your beloved wife, your children, they cannot even stand behind you. You are going to face it alone. I'm going to face it alone. That is why anything that I'm doing now, I do it well. If I know that what I'm doing is not good, I need to leave it and face the good thing that I want to do. What thing I believe for this life, the good thing where you they do, now God will take judge you. And the bad thing where you they do, now God will take judge you. Everybody have judgments. Everybody on the, whether you are a pastor, whether you are a prophet, anything you find yourself, everybody have your own judgment. Nobody is going to stand with you. I just want to add this one, joiner. Now, when they see people, when they just come out for social media, say, God bless you. Anything you are looking for, God is going to give you. You know whether not God power they really they use. You know whether not evil power they give. So nobody know anybody. Even your wife, when you marry herself, you don't trust her. You don't trust your children. You don't trust your husband. Because things can change. Story can change. People nowadays, they are like chameleon. They be like chameleon. They can change at any time. They can change. The time where Monica bring this girl, what do they call this girl? Esther, lady of song. The time where bring audio, where play audio, nobody expects say na Destiny wife, na carry that audio go give Monica. Not be recently now Monica come they say na his wife, na bring the audio give her. So everybody is a suspect. Sometimes if you say, this is my husband, I too love him, I too trust her. But so can't thing go happen. You know whoever believes say this your husband, if you do that kind of thing. So it's only God that is going to help us. So all those Edo, some of our Edo brothers, some of our Edo sisters, whether they disgrace themselves for social media, if you not like, when I see this video, when I go put my picture, when I go talk, I not go reward. The time where I get to talk to, and only this time get. Only this time, so where I just did so. Now I just get. After this time, I go back to my normal topic. Una know my normal topic. If you like tomorrow, go carry my picture, go tag and join video. Italy people say, no me Teresa. It's not my business. But when you are doing something, you not see person where tell you say this thing way they do so it's no good. You go even know say that person not even like you. Because he no say what you they do is no good. Still they tell you say right on, carry on, do this thing very well, do this one very well. And which is if I get friend when my mouth they smell, my girlfriend no fit tell me say Lady Joy, your mouth they smell. Another person can't go tell me for outside say Lady Joy, your teeth they smell. Now be say that my girlfriend, she doesn't love me. She don't like me at all because she wants make people laugh me. That is why she did not tell me, because she really loved me as a friend. She's supposed to tell me, Joy, I beg, bless her the yes or order for your man. Go and brush your teeth. He's a good friend. That is why she tell you. Some people there, as a friend, if they do bad thing, they're not going to tell you. They're going to clap for you, say, Lady Joy, right down. Do one. Talk to Edo State anyhow. Insult Edo State. They not fit do anything. Not be Europe you dey. But you forget say na Europe I dey one day. I get brother, I get sister for Benin. I go buy ticket, go Benin. Say, I beg, I want buy ticket or I want go Edo State. I can't carry ticket like that. I can't go Edo State. Where I reach Edo State. All my fuck up, where I fuck up for social media, they go treat my fuck up. So una way they fuck up for social media today, Mona not forget, say, they go treat una fuck up when I go Nigeria. Mona just go, this video, Mona go save and keep. Or this topic, Mona go save and keep. If una go Nigeria, una way fuck up to those states, they go fuck up una down. Mona no just worry. Una no be una for corner. Una no say, we the do my twaye magmo, my twaye rima, my cooking day. When you go twaye magmo, we have social media na. This is why a social media, or a social media, or a wuwa. Why ko ware social media? If you bona when ma be area we ma be na why the jogwa? Wa aru social media ni because we want jogwa. Emi no kwa no de yan wa. Benu wa gwe gbeni where I'm new man no here tin gugwa gwa. Wa duwe ma poponu wa ma guwa. Ma begu wa. Ugbe so Lady Joy be straw be straw be social media. Ma wa be straw, na be beg me no be sunu. but okakabo damene abe family wa abe mesoni wazu of social media na e family ya kwa beg ya abe ti ya wa gi ya abi wa o si ya be Facebook e ma be ne ma post me se be ne ma gi send me se oho no isa we mu ye Facebook e ma gu we post e ya wa show e kia Muslim no ma mani ya wa gu we wa show e ne oh no wa go viral ya ma e wa kia tam Lady Joy na we ya ma send a picture of you wa then wa watch kiniya do be social media yage no kpanatie whether Natasha or abem ni atie age deteni yage no kpani atie shishi baby obi agbo age deteni agita obi do no kpa me de France oje abi de kinoje age teni wa we swaga wa vie wen ladian wa mu we ladian wa ko wa mona dey sell na market where we dey clap for una we dey wash una we dey wash all of una. I no even believe say una go marry. I no believe because tomorrow maybe one man say they won't marry una now come dey see those kind video for social media. I'm not sure because before person go start to live that kind life, he don already decide for himself say forget about marriage before you live the kind life wey you dey live. So my people, I thank everybody so much. Here where emokpa atamu menwa oga sekwo okiyoyi. Here where itan afimedo edigwe agbeme oma. So wane edigwe noro ni iya all disgrace gbiyan be social media na ave edigwe noro iya all mo gbiyan gboto be social media. Edigwe noro ni e ma yebe gugwana abe digwe noro e ma yebe gugwanu gwa fi werie abe digwe wa mana fi werie emi no kwa e dedo denyawa because omo no wije vie ube e winya bebie. My brother, if you want marry them, you are free to marry them. You don't know their platform. If you want to marry them, you know their platform. You understand? So people like Kunana, now they clap for all those people. Now they clap for the Nikada. So go they ask, say, I want come on my brazier. Me I come out and you go they see comment. Come out, nothing there. You are looking sexy. Remove it. Mona take her easy, follow us. Now when you know say people, what did they do? It no good. For una to comment to say, my sister, what you are doing now is not good. At least if you read like 2 comments, 3 comments, 4 comments, where they tell and say no good, I believe say it go stop. But when they pull like, when they pull off, continue. Sexy baby, lovely baby, you are too beautiful, you are too sexy, you are too lovely. After it don't disgrace itself finish, now go see the narrate, then they go to say, you see video what that girl do yesterday, Jesus. So now we take her easy. Many things there where God take the punish person. Many things there where God take the punish person. Even you where they comment, you know say that thing where that person they do, it no good. Go see they tell and say it good. God can use that thing to punish you. If you don't know me, you know. So my people, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate una way help me share. God will bless una and I try. Thank you. I appreciate everybody. So before we go, let's play this music. My brother, what are you saying about Nnamdi Kanu? That I should meet Nnamdi Kanu. Why? Today topic that we are discussing today. We are not discussing about Nnamdi Kanu today. We don't discuss about Nnamdi Kanu today. We don't discuss about Igbo people today. We discuss about some of Edo people whether they mumu themselves for social media. So I don't really know the reason that you are writing this comment. I don't understand. So when we are discussing about Nnamdi Kanu, we discuss about Nnamdi Kanu. When we see our people that is going wrong on social media, we have anything to talk to them, we are free to talk to them. When we are in the right of Nnamdi Kanu, we can talk to them at any time. If we want to talk their topic, we just know say that their topic we they talk. So if we know they talk about their topic, we not leave the topic where we they talk. Maybe we go they discuss another thing. No. Tomorrow if we break, day if we break tomorrow, now we will still be say now Nnamdi Kanu topic we go still talk tomorrow. So for now, we are not discussing anything about Nnamdi Kanu or the Igbo people. We are talking about the Edo people. So if you know that you have not subscribed to Lady Joy, please subscribe. Lady Joy show on YouTube. Please go and subscribe, because sometimes we put video there. So anytime when we upload video, you can see it there. Just subscribe with Lady Joy show on YouTube. So before we go, let's play this music. Thank you so much. Again in Wamiewa. No sabe ore o egbidi no sabe wa. No sabe ore o egbidi. Mene edori ese. Mene do me level se. Mene edo polo se. Edo polo. E shoki ni ela wagbe. When they think you wear mene egwa mani digba se. Matemu. Yeah, this grace is you on social media. No sabe ore o egbidi no sama Edo to the world. I'm anointing my dog boto ero. Why disgrace egbe what disgrace? Agbaya egbe what disgrace? So manibia do ni ro nerere gbana. I'm anointing bring mada ero. Dayeri agbon, dayeri egberi agbon, edo yaye lare, dayeri agbon o. Talo bano gume to, ni ki o man. Ya wa to, ya wa ki o man. Dayeri agbon, edo yaye lare. Eto salo boa. E ma ya bege ni ya degbe ya mu gbegbe ya gboto, ya pradi. Everyday no sama everyday kya saga wa. No sagbe ore o egbidi. Egbidi no sama everyday kya saga wa. No sagbe ore o egbidi. Pues ya we yo konoma, agi ge ota konoma be go bo kya we. Pues ya toma mu agi ge ota konoma be go bo kya we. Pues ya yo konoma, agi ge ota konoma be go bo. Pues ya toma mu agi ge ya ki ne ke te o. Why do not people baby fat? Like this comment, whether I go boy, I comment that comment. See, so unnecessary people will comment. Mostly all those senior many people, they will comment. Nowhere where batting all day, batting full everywhere. Batting full everywhere. So if you see say waiting your language person they do, you not like, and you are free to talk to them. So you people should not take it to say, okay, Benin people, it's everywhere. Whether Igbo, whether Yoruba, whether Hausa, all tribe, they get good people, they get bad people. So it's not so God take creator. Even if you see this finger, all of them not be equal. All fingers are not equal. Sometimes you see good people, sometimes you see bad people. Even the white people, some good people there, some bad people there. So that will not me say when they talk to some of our Edo people, say maybe na one kind big thing. No, some Igbo people they do worse. No, not they see them for social media whether they wear pants. No, not see them. So the thing they everywhere. So it's not only the Edo people. So with the Edos, we love our people. That is why we want to talk to them. It doesn't mean because we are saying what they are doing is not good that we hate them. No, we still love them. We are still one blood. But we just want to let them know that this thing that they are doing is not really a good thing. It's not really a better thing. This time that they are using to do all those things, if we join hands together, at least we can repair our state or we can repair our region if everybody comes together. So that is the reason. It's not for bad or it's not for evil. So I love them as a sister. I did not hate them, but I don't like the way they present themselves, the way they quarrel, the way they make problems. I don't really like it. I don't like it because if everybody continue like this, I don't believe we are going to somewhere. So thank you, my people. I love you all. One love. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Good night. See you tomorrow. One love.